Good morning, Nathan. How was your weekend?
It was great. Mario got his first balance bike and we took it for a stroll in the neighborhood. It is really fascinating how quickly we all learn. I'll share a clip of him riding his bike at the end of this. How about you? How was your weekend?
It was great. I spent some time reading. I was actually reading this book. It's about curry from all over the world because I've been cooking a lot, so I wanted to learn some new things. What about you? Are you reading anything?
Well, yeah, I've been reading books on organizational management and learning theory. So there's one on actor network and another on activity theory. But I've also been reading with Mario books like The Big Bad Wolf is Good and The True Story of the Three Little Pigs, plus the timeless classic Jack and the Beanstalk.
Mm, always favorites. I'm glad you guys are reading so much. That's a really great way to stay engaged and to engage in that healthy habit of imagination.
Speaking of imagination, Madalamalin, be careful on that edge.
Hello, Nathan and Jessica. Hello again, RIS. Yes, I'll be careful. Are you all ready for another episode of
Well, she sneaks around the world from India to Carolina. She's a sticky finger filter from Berlin down to Belize. Take me for a ride on a slow bus to China. Tell me where in the world is
Miss Jessica! All right, everyone. Are you ready for the next episode of Where in the World is Miss Jessica? Clue number 1. In this country, people eat a lot, and I mean a lot, of something called an arepa. These are like fried corn cakes that are filled to the brim with things that you might find in a sandwich, like cheese, ham, chicken, steak, avocado.
clue number 2? This country is home to many weird and interesting animals, including the llama, me, manatees, the giant anteater, three-toed sloth, the two-toed sloth, jaguar, Amazon river dolphins, Orinoco crocodiles, and the world's largest rodent, the capybara.
Clue number 3. This country is home to beautiful beaches, deserts, savannas, and these tabletop mountains that are known as Tepui, which means a house of gods in the native language of the indigenous people of this country. All right, students, there you go. You got your clues. So now click on the description to get the link to submit your responses. And here are the people who got it all correct last week.
She go from Nashville to Norway, out there to Zimbabwe, Chicago to Czechoslovakia, and back. Well, she'll ransack Pakistan and run a scan in Scandinavia. Then she'll stick 'em up down under and go pickpocket first. She was the missing misdemeanor when she stole the beans from Lima. Tell me where in the world is
Carmen San Diego.
tell me where in the world. Oh, tell me where can she be? Ooh, that's smarter to tiny.
Congratulations. Good job.
That is always fun. You know, I've been doing a lot of learning around creating and publishing videos. I don't want to say that I'm good at it yet, but practice makes better.
Yeah, practicing anything makes us better at it. Learning is so fundamental to who we are as humans. Even though we aren't at school, we know that students are experiencing all kinds of fun and amazing things at home, like cooking in their kitchen, gardening outside, playing strategy board games with their families, or just building things out of whatever you can find.
And we want to bring these moments to life for you all. Because though we are far apart, we want to maintain that sense of learning community.
So that is why we are launching the Student Showcase. This is going to be housed on our parent website, and this is where we want to show off some of those cool things that you're doing at home. So you can submit a photo or a short video, no more than 1 minute, and we'll post some of those each week to show off what you guys are doing at home.
Here, let me quickly just show you how to get to that on that website. Okay, so here's the website, and I hope that you've all had a chance to check this out. You'll see there are a bunch of different places where you can get information. Tech support is a big one. But if you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see Student Showcase. And when you click on Student Showcase here, it will take you to a quick description of what we're expecting or why we're doing this. And then also, if you click on this right here, it'll take you to the Google form where you can submit your work. So add your email, your nickname, or your name, and then select the grade level and teacher that you're with. And then finally, you can add a file.
Thanks, Nathan. All right, that's all for this week, RIS. Remain compassionate, courageous, and creative, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, careful, here comes the car. Get to the side, Mario, quickly. Mario, look at me. Get to the side, come on, move over. Move over. That's it.